advances in technology and further disrupt labor markets in the coming years.
Jobs lost as a result of artificial intelligence.
There's no question artificial intelligence will remake the workplace.
The future of labor is changing right in front of our eyes, and artificial intelligence is to blame. Goldman Sachs analysts suggest that over 300 million jobs could be impacted in the next coming years. Now you're probably thinking, is my job safe? In this video, we're going to reveal a list of jobs that are set to be completely transformed by AI, according to a study by OpenAI, the brains behind yours truly, ChatGPT. These are industries already feeling the tech crunch, and they need to move fast if they don't want to become irrelevant in the job market. So, ready to dive in? Let's roll the video. Could human talent in dubbing be replaced by machines? This question recently hit home for Alejandro Graue, an Argentinian voice actor. He was hired to dub videos for a big YouTube channel, but out of the blue, Alejandro was replaced by a software. This shook the foundation of his 18-year-long career. In his words, "I'm worried about my future. Dubbing has been my job for the past 18 years. I can't rely on that income anymore." Alejandro shared that public outcry got the channel to pull the AI-dubbed videos off the air. But sadly, it didn't guarantee getting his job back.
Yo nunca di el nombre del canal, nunca dije, o sea que no es mi culpa, sino que la gente que seguía el canal, no le gustó para nada el resultado.
Graphic designers and illustrators are also facing this dilemma thanks to the rise of tools like DALL-E, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion. In an interview with Rest of the World magazine, Amber Yu, a Chinese illustrator, shared that there's been a major shift in how she gets hired by video game industries. She explained that in the past, it could take her more than a week to craft her own unique creations. Now her clients are only offering a commission to make minor adjustments to images created by AI, such as lighting and retouches, and they're paying her just a tenth of what she used to earn. Xu Yingying, another designer who talked to the magazine, mentioned that half of his video game design team got laid off due to AI automation. In his words, 2 people can potentially do the work that used to be done by 10. What these illustrators in China reported is already happening around the globe. More and more technical jobs, office work, and positions requiring higher education are getting exposed to the advances in technology. A 2023 report by the World Economic Forum states that about 40% of working hours across all global industries will be impacted by artificial intelligence, especially language models like ChatGPT. Now let's get to the core part of this video. A study conducted by the University of Pennsylvania, in collaboration with OpenAI, assessed how various professions would be affected by language models and chatbots. This 35-page study uses a range of evaluation methods, but it highlights some professions that will have 100% exposure, meaning they'll be fully impacted by artificial intelligence. To make things easier, we've grouped the most affected jobs into 4 categories of professionals. The first category is the creatives. Even though creativity is a human trait, the routine of these professionals is already feeling the impact of AI, particularly from language models and graphic design apps like we mentioned earlier. Designers, writers, journalists, authors, PR folks, interpreters, and translators now have various tools to speed up their work or create them from scratch using AI applications. These technologies make things so much easier that, in many cases, fewer people are needed to do the same amount of work. And that's where the danger lies. From drafting graphic art to writing a traffic news report, apps are already mastering many tasks intrinsic to these professions. The second category includes professionals who deal with numbers. Automation in this sector has ramped up and will hit some professions full on in the coming years. Financial analysts, accountants, tax auditors, and even mathematicians top the list. Apps like Final Note, Whisper, ChatGPT, and even DALL-E 2, which produces images, can give superpowers to financial analysts and accountants, producing charts and analyses quickly. For mathematicians, the concept of condensed mathematics and AI could be the key to once and for all solving challenges in algebra, topology, and geometry. In other words, these tools help, but they can also make the services offered by these professionals cheaper, as AI can do a good chunk of the calculations and analyses in less time. Anyone dealing with numbers needs to use AI as an ally, so they don't lose ground in the market. The third group consists of professionals related to law and justice. Language models like ChatGPT have made life easier for those dealing with laws. With these models, it's possible to create summaries of cases, highlight the laws and statutes relevant to a case, and even draft contracts and agreements from scratch. That's why assistants in law firms, courts, and tribunals need to stay alert. The bureaucracy of the law, which usually consumes a large part of these professionals' time, can now be easily automated by software. The fourth and final group is professionals who deal with data. Managing, compiling, and analyzing data has become one of AI's strong suits. ChatGPT can help create reports, summarize trends, select the most relevant data for each situation or analysis, and suggest the best types of charts to display ideas. Then, DALL-E and Midjourney help to finalize the work and create the charts that will be presented to the public. Sounds easier, right? But whatever your profession is, one thing is guaranteed. Technology will automate part of your work routine in the coming years, or at least it will enhance the production capacity of humans involved in certain tasks. From medicine and engineering to arts and creativity, all that's left for us is to adapt to the new times and turn AI into our ally, not our enemy. If you want to know which apps give superpowers to ChatGPT, click on this video here on the screen where we talk about AutoGPT, Baby AGI, Reflection, and others. If you enjoyed this content, comment below, leave your like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Until next time.